And on we'll go.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video of Tony's phone collection. Today we're doing another unboxing. I've ordered a couple lots, so I'm not sure which one these are. Looks like this one has a Kyocera box though. Oh, the bubble wrap too. Alrighty. So it looks like we got a Samsung charger, a Kyocera charger, another Samsung charger, I think. No, it's a UT Starcom. A Motorola charger. And then we have a whole bunch of phones. So these are the 4 phone lot. I think they cost, if I remember right, I think it was around $15. I'll add it in the description if I was wrong though. The actual price. I only ordered it because of this one right here. The Altel Kyocera. This is the KX612B. So yeah, ordered it for this one. We have a UT Starcom. And then this one, we have a Motorola Q on Sprint, and then a Samsung R, if I remember right, R450. That's with Metro. It's got a pretty bullsed out battery as well. Well, there's the unboxing, guys. I'll go over in an update video as well. So, hope you guys enjoyed the unboxing, and stay tuned for the next one.